Mixed Media Mayhem coming up. Hi everybody. Today we're making these cute little guys. You need a glue gun, you need scrap felt, you need pine cones, and you need a little bit of string to hang them by. See you in a little bit. Hi, we're going to make gnomes today out of pine cones. These are small, only about 2 inches long. Not sure what kind of tree they came from, but I know they came from Michigan. Okay, you need pieces of scrap felt. Doesn't have to be very big. And you want to measure around the top of the cone because you're going to make a hat. Whoop, that's too small. There we go. Now when you cut it out, you want to round the bottom of the triangle. You're basically making a triangle, but you want the bottom of it to be rounded. There we go. Now, you're going to use, as you can see, you're going to use hot glue. You're going to use hot glue to make the hat. You're going to just, first of all, just tack one little spot so that it's easier to glue the rest of it. Careful, the glue is hot. You want to glue up the rest of the edge of the hat, the edge of the triangle. The rounded part's on the bottom, remember. There we go. Make sure you hold on to that hat till the glue is completely cool, otherwise it'll fall apart on you. And once again, be careful because the glue is hot. I burned myself a couple of times on this project. Now that the hat is all done and it's nice and pointy and cute, you're going to glue it to the top of the pine cone, the stem end of the pine cone. When you put the glue on the inside of the hat, don't do it in the whole circle. Leave us about 1 centimeter in the front of the hat without glue, because that's where you're going to put the nose. You glue it to the stem end of the pine cone. Now the nose is made out of air-dried clay, homemade air-dried clay, and the recipe is at the end of the video. I'll also put a link to the recipe in the description. You could always use a bead if you don't want to make the clay. A wooden bead would work just fine here. Okay, here we are. He's looking cute. We're going to put a little bit of reinforcement glue up underneath the hat where the hat and the nose and the pine cone all meet together. There we go. Okay, it's looking good. I'm going to use some glitter glue, some hot glitter glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just slip it in my gun there. And I'm going to squirt out the rest of the clear glue because I don't want that right now. I want the glitter glue. There it is. There's the glitter coming out. We're just going to put, or on the bottom of the hat, we're just going to put a nice little bead of glitter. You don't have to put a bead of glitter. You can put spots, you can put zigzags, you can do whatever you want here. Whoopsie daisy. There we go, everything's fine. Now let it cool, don't touch it. Now it's time to put the hanger on. You can't have an ornament without an ornament hanger. I'm using waxed linen thread. You can use any kind of thread you like with a tapestry needle. I like the tapestry needle because the hole is nice and big and easy to thread. Don't tie a knot in the end just yet. Okay, now you take the needle off and just tie a regular overhand knot. Any kind of knot will do. The ornament's not that heavy, so any kind of knot will do. And there we are, all done. It's a cute little gnome. Have a Merry Christmas.